When you hear the word Igbo Billionaire, what comes to your mind? Private jets, mansions, imported cars. But behind all that shine lies a story that begins in the dust, in sweat, in pure hustle. Igbo billionaires do not inherit wealth. They build it from scratch. With nothing but grit, resilience, and a deeply cultural sense of business. From a young age, most Igbo boys are introduced to business through the Apprentice System. This system, unique to the Igbo people, is one of the most powerful grassroots entrepreneurship programs in the world. Some serve for 5, 7, or even 10 years without pay, but when it's time to graduate, the master settles them, giving capital, goods, or support to launch their own business. This system has produced names like Cletus Ibeto, Cosmas Maduka, Innocent Chukuma, and many others. Unlike the conventional path of school to office, Igbo wealth starts in sweat. Sleeping in the shop isn't poverty, it's preparation. Eating once a day is not suffering, it's sacrifice. And many of these men build their businesses with no loans, no government support, and no connections, only grit and vision. An average Igbo businessman does not chase quick wealth. He reinvests every profit. He grows silently, and before you know it, a spare parts dealer in Nnewi becomes the owner of a car manufacturing company. They build, they fail, they rise again, but they never give up. They understand one secret: ownership is power. True wealth among Igbo men is not just about luxury, it's about legacy. They build roads in their villages, they sponsor students, they lift others. It's no surprise that some of the biggest private projects in Nigeria today powered by Igbo billionaires who started with nothing. Today, the world is paying attention because what the Igbos built silently for decades is now becoming a model for wealth creation in Africa. From Alaba to Atlanta, from Aba to Dubai, from Onitsha to China, Igbo billionaires are rewriting the rules of business, and they are doing it on their own terms. This is how they built it, not by luck, not by inheritance, but by focus, sacrifice, and faith. Are you inspired by how Igbo billionaires build wealth from scratch? Let's continue this story. If you're interested in documentaries, interviews, business profiles, or coverage of grassroots billionaires, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply you ASAP. For partnerships, collaborations, and sponsorships, Ebonyi People TV is your plug. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories from the heart of Igbo land.